prove their intelligence. It speaks for itself, and I am here to explain them. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, one who created the world and all the mankind. Respected judges, honorable principals, and my dear audience, good afternoon and assalamu alaikum. Firstly, I give really thanks to the administration of Qura who has given me the opportunity to explain and express my feeling on the notion of boys are smarter than girls. Obviously, in every aspect of life, before coming up to the stage, lots of questions were popping in my mind. Besides being confident that how I will deliver, how I will speak, but rarely I got to know I am a boy, a smarter boy, and that is what I have to do. Boys are smarter than girls because they are more rational. They always think logically and are better in holding their emotions. Majority of the people think that girls are better than boys, but that is not true. Most of the scientists, most of the pilots, most of the army officers in our world are all great mathematicians in our world are men. So how can we say girls are better than boys? Generally boys have the ability to think all the problems and these things at the time. Now, let's suppose whenever a woman gets hurdle in their life, can he solve their skills by themselves? No. The answer is no. No, they cannot use their skills. So mostly they have to depend upon boys. Now, if we see according to Islam, Allah has granted Hazrat Adam alayhi salam first and then Hazrat Hawa alayhi salam. So if Allah has set up noble and great level of men, so how can we say that girls are better than boys? One of my dear sisters said, girls are better than boys. Yes, I agree. But can you give few of my questions answered? Yes. The question is, I believe boys are better than girls because they are more logical. And if it is not smarter, then yes, I agree. Boys are not smarter. Boys are not emotional. And if it is not smarter, then yes, I am agree. Boys are not smarter. To see a lady in trouble, a boy does not stop himself to help her. And if it is his weakness, then yes, I am agree with you. Boys are not smarter. Being a father from sweat of brow, he earns food and shelter for his wife and children. If it is of no worth, then yes, I agree. Boys are not smarter. Respected judges, boys have the ability of parents. They are more smarter and powerful. I can prove it right now by throwing an artificial lizard unnoticed. Who will make clamor? Obviously, girls will make clamor. Though, is it proof their smartness? No. Now, one of my dear sisters said, when we get up early in the morning, a delicious breakfast is cooked by our mother. Yes, I agree with your point of view. But my question, who provides you grocery? Who provides you bread and other? No. Rightly proclaim that boys are better than girls, and that is